What's up, yard freakos, and thanks for joining me on this video. Man, I am excited today, guys. Today is the day where over 2.5 years of work is finally coming to fruition. I'm finally going to be able to close out my backyard the way I've been kind of wanting it since I basically moved into this house. As you can see, I had a big flower garden bed here, and it wasn't really a flower garden. It had a whole bunch of blue spruce trees in it, and just mulch. And so what I did was, over the last 2 years, I got rid of the mulch. I got rid of the river rock, which is what the Buffalograss here was filling in for. And then I took my flower garden. So here's my hawthorn tree with some rose bushes and lilies. And so what I did is I wrapped it around here, redid the line, which I'll bury later, and the drip line that goes to the other side of the house. Wedding or anniversary present. And then what I did is I did the same thing over here. So this is my other flower garden that I'm going to be working on the rest of the summer, but then I took it and wrapped it in over here too. And let me just tell you, this has been a grueling 2.5 years to get this backyard the way I'm wanting it to look. You have some good grass in the yard for the dogs, make it look a little bit nicer and things like that. And just to give you some perspective, this is not even all of what I've been having to do to get this yard the way it is. So I've got aspen roots, I've got tree stumps, I've got all my blue spruce logs I still need to get rid of. So yes, I am very excited that I'm gonna be able to close out putting more Buffalograss seed down today and getting this yard the way I want it to look by the end of the year. Okay, if you guys have never heard of Buffalograss before, if this is the first time you've heard about it, I've got a whole set of videos talking about what Buffalograss is, why I'm using it, what the benefits of it are, and how to get it established in your yard. So please go check those out, because that's where you'll get the context in here. I just finished putting blue grama down in this backyard too, and I have a video on that as well that I'll link into the description. I'm knocking out a lot of videos today. And so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting Sundancer Buffalograss again, which I got from my good friends at Curtis & Curtis. These guys are a seed distributor company in New Mexico, out of Clovis, New Mexico. I've been buying stuff from them for years. They did not sponsor this. They did not give me the seed. I bought it from them. I just want to show them some love because I'm from the same area of the country as they are, and I've been using them for years. So please go link. I got a link to them in the description of this video. Go patronize them. They'll get you whatever you need: Buffalograss, blue grama, perennial rye, whatever kind of grass seed you need, they probably have it. So please go check them out. All right. If you guys haven't seen Buffalograss seed before, this is what it looks like. So this isn't even seed though. These are burrs that cover about 2 or 3 seeds within the burr. And the reason it's green is because what they do is they soak the seed in potassium to help give it a jump start to sprout up and germinate that much sooner. Okay, the type of Buffalograss I'm going to be using today is a breed called Sundancer. The reason I'm using Sundancer is because it is the best of the best that's come out of the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. They have a breeding program in conjunction with the United States Golfers Association, and this stuff is their latest that they have released as part of that breeding program. So Sundancer, the nodes are shorter, so it's thicker than other types of Buffalograss. It's greener, like a more darker green than other types of Buffalograss you may see, like just a pure wild strand of Buffalograss is more of a bluish color. It'll green up earlier in the spring, and it holds its color later into the fall. So that's what I'm going to be using today. Sundancer. There's other types out there. I suggest you go research them. You can also get Buffalograss in plugs or even sod. And the good thing about those is that they don't have the male the male plants of Buffalograss in them, because the male parts will send up little florets to fertilize or to pollinate the females where the flower resides in the canopy. And so some people don't like that. I consider it kind of like Bermuda grass sending up its stalks. So it's not a big deal to me, but you can get vegetative varieties that are just pure female and you won't get that. So with that said, let's get started.